Thanks again for spending some time together today and getting an update about some special activity of what's happening at Coe-Brown. I certainly hope you all had a great holiday break and spent some time with family and had a chance to have some very personal time for yourself. Thanks again for students, faculty, and staff for continuing to work together through a very difficult time. Certainly has been a difficult time in our history in a variety of unusual ways. Just to follow up on the past advisory, please start moving forward on completing community service for all grades. However, for seniors, your time is starting to be limited, so find your path through recommendations and discussions. Please complete your class dues expectations by information given to you during your advisory. That would be greatly appreciated. Ms. Weed and the Student Council have been active with faculty resources trying their very best to make Winter Carnival fun as usual during restrictive times. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Mrs. Ward, who has some special information for us regarding FFA.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Coe-Brown Greenhouse. I'm Mrs. Ward, and I'm here to give you a little bit of FFA news that's going on in our program this year. I would like to first congratulate Mary Joy for joining the FFA officer team as our new chapter sentinel. We've also been real busy this year with community service projects since our career development events haven't been able to run. This year we have done the Johnson Field project, which is a field down near the Johnson Dairy Bar that has a lot of invasives in it. So a number of students came in for a day and worked on cutting back about a half acre of invasives. We will continue this project later in the spring. We also worked with the Hill Library this year in managing, beginning their whole children's library project. We did some plant removal and that sort of thing. And again, that'll be an ongoing project for this chapter. We just last night finished up our wreath making project. The chapter is working on making wreaths for both the local and fire departments in the area. We made a number of wreaths last night, and those will be going out to the local departments over the next few days. I'd like to congratulate our cookie dough winners, which will be announced soon. We had a great turnout, and thank you to all the people who bought cookie dough from us. We really appreciate that. We have also a number of new FFA members this year, 11 to be exact. Who will be joining the ranks of Green Hand membership, which is a first level membership in FFA. So very proud of those 11 new members. And I would like to kind of recognize two special FFA members today who have done an outstanding job as first year members, and that is Emily Arnold and Ashley DeVoyd. Both these young ladies have been working really, really hard, have been attending almost every single event, and have given 110% in getting their first level of membership. So congratulations to them, congratulations to all, and I hope you all have a happy holiday, and thanks, and think about joining FFA.
Thank you, Mrs. Ward. Now I'd like to introduce Ms. Hill, who is representing the English Young Writers Contest, and she will be giving us the winners and also some additional information about the Writing Center. Thank you, Ms. Hill. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Klaus, who has some very special information regarding our yearbook.
Oh, hello, good day, Coe-Brown. It's me, Mr. Klaus, here to remind you to order your CBNA yearbook. Yearbooks are on sale until January 25th. You can pay $64 and get the yearbook and the spring supplement, or if you don't want the spring supplement, enter the code no_supplement, all caps, in the coupon code box, and it will deduct $16 from your order, getting you just the yearbook at the bargain price of $48. The yearbook is a great memory of this historic year. We're trying to make it really special for you guys. So please, if you'd like one, order yours today. January 25th is the deadline. In my opinion, it's great, but who wants to hear it from me? Let's hear what real CBNA students have to say about the yearbook.
The CBNA yearbook is awesome! I'd get one.
So, if he would get one, you should get one too. Order yours today at yearbookforever.com.
Thank you, Mr. Klaus. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Abel, who wants to share some valuable information about a brand new, exciting club.
Good morning, Coe-Brown. We want to announce the creation of a new and exciting sporting club at Coe-Brown, the CBNA Disc Golf Club, and we're looking for interested students to learn and develop this sport. Disc golf is now one of the fastest growing sports in the world, with teams growing locally and at universities and college campuses across the USA. Disc golf is both an individual and a team non-contact sport that develops mental and physical skills where concentration, hand-eye coordination, and technique are more important than mere size or strength. Students and staff interested in joining and learning more about this exciting sport and becoming a charter member of the very first disc golf team at Coe-Brown, come to the initial information meeting next Wednesday, January the 20th at 2:30, right after school. For more information, email Mr. Abels at cabels@coebrown.net, or just see Mr. Abels or Miss Cavagnaro at your convenience. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Abels. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Mrs. Grenier, who would like to share with us some more college acceptances for our seniors.
Hello, everyone. Happy Friday and good morning to all of you. We do have a couple of announcements today in addition to college acceptances. So first, for juniors, remember our meetings have started for post-high school planning as well as talking about your senior year schedule. So please, if you have not already, come sign up outside your counselor's door. If you are a remote student, just email your counselor and we'll schedule a Google Meet. Sophomores and freshmen, we will be into your classrooms by the beginning of February, and we'll be beginning scheduling with you as well. Our second announcement today is regarding the DAR Good Citizen Award. For those of you who do not know, we start off with some faculty nominations, and then the senior class votes on their DAR Good Citizen. Just so you know, the student that gets selected as the DAR Good Citizen must have the qualities of dependability, which includes truthfulness, loyalty, and punctuality, service, which includes cooperation, courtesy, and consideration of others, leadership, which is an unselfish interest in family, your school, your community, and nation, and patriotism. So this year, our faculty voted on 4 finalists, Austin Carrier, Addison Cox, Olivia Noni, and Drusilla Zizako. Our recipient, as voted by the senior class, is Olivia Noni. So congratulations, Olivia. And I'll be in touch early next week with what you need to do next for the scholarship portion of that. And finally, we have our college announcements. Austin Carrier, the University of Maine and the University of New Hampshire. Molly Ewing, Fordham University, and UMass Amherst, and the University of Vermont. Cameron Gatchell has been accepted to Keene State, Plymouth State, and the University of Maine at Farmington. Kat Grace, Johnson and Wales University, and the New England Culinary Institute. Abbey Leas, Keene State College, Colby Sawyer College, and Plymouth State. Allison Mackey, New England College, Franklin Pierce University, St. Anselm's College, and UNH. Logan Mihalik, Keene State, and Franklin Pierce. Riley Mulligan, University of Southern Maine, Emmanuel College, Susquehanna University, DePaul, UMaine Orono, Northern Illinois University, Central Michigan University, and Rollins College. Hunter Murray, University of New Hampshire. Mary Catherine Pattison, Salve Regina University. Clayton Price, Keene State, Plymouth State, Southern New Hampshire University, and Fitchburg State. Mackenzie Quick, Eastern Nazarene College, Plymouth State, and St. Joseph's College of Maine. Cole Smith, Plymouth State, and Roger Williams University. Darren Sweet, Clark University, Wheaton College, University of New Hampshire, University of Vermont. And Jordan Trahant, New England College, William Woods University, and Plymouth State University. Congratulations to all the seniors, and have a great long weekend, everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Grenier. What a great day to be so happy about the things we have and not worried about the things that we don't have. And on that note, have a nice Friday.